Hey yo! My name is Aaron and today we're gonna be doing one of Laidbackbrit's videos. Try not to laugh challenge. I honestly think I'm gonna breeze through this challenge, obviously, because I'm undefeated in the channel, you know, because I'm the GOAT. But obviously I'm gonna leave the video in the description below just so that way you can react to it yourself or, you know, kind of follow the challenge. But yeah, also the YouTuber's gonna be in the description below as well, so yeah, all credits goes to that person. Let's do this. The video's gonna be like around here. Actually, you know what? I think I might just make like a little square of myself and just add it to the video. I don't know, this is the first time I've ever done something like this, so hopefully it's good. I don't know. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm experimenting. Don't kill me. Please. I hope the sound doesn't like overlap and it makes it sound weird because then I'm probably not gonna upload this shit, you know? I don't have any headphones right now.
Hi, this is Kelly calling from your CVS pharmacy. I'd just like to let you know that your anal wart removal cream, your butt plug, and your Viagra are now in. And we also got those extra small condoms that you needed. So please go ahead and let me know when you'll be coming in so I can...
There's this game my father taught me years ago. It's called Switch. The premise of the game is you take one finger, put it in your mouth, the other one goes up your asshole. And he says, go, you switch.
Nintendo Switch.
Coming April 12th. Oh, it's real. It's real, son.
I'm going to sing Sherloid by Sherloid or Rebecca G. Right? And don't forget other children who got into it.
Does somebody not know how to flush the toilet after they've had a shit?
What do you mean?
Well, it was fucking one of yous. Disgusting!
Featured, because guess what? It's a bunch of dudes, and I do not appreciate that.
Did you just call me a woman? I'm legally a man.
Are you?
Yes.
The more she talks, the more I want
Grigori lips! Блядь! Ёб твою...
This should not be funny.
As you guys can see, look, he killed me with a stun.
Oh, why is he
a
gonna
stun.
do it?
He can't use a stun. Yeah, guys, look. Yeah, look, guys, look. He disconnected. Yeah, guys.
That's fucking
Thanks for
cringy.
watching, guys. GG.
I cursed, my bad, guys.
Give me the viewing because I have that reason. They kill me with the stun and drop hose. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. GG.
I put crack in their hot dogs.
Ignition, primer, and shit. Well, I'm sure some of these buttons do something. Yes, green is for go. Now come on! Сука, блять. Ой, мамочка, we have engine power. Comrade Boris, ready for takeoff. Ай, блять. It's exactly like Lada. What the fuck is this for? Блять! А, да-да, with the fuel mixture. Give it some rich fuel and it's good to go. Ah, yes, now we're moving. Ой, блин, not so much. Shit, fuck. Ой, mama, I have fucked up. Recruit Boris, our radar shows that you have taken flight. You have not been authorized to... No, I'm on ground. So what is all that wind noise? Oh, that, yes, sorry, it was air conditioning. Oh, okay, carry on. Yes, you fucked with the radar again.
You be coming with this? Fuck you, son of a bitch. You don't fuck with Carlos Grin. Ah, man, fuck you.
Will you shut up?
You don't fuck with Carlos Grin. That's what you don't do. You my mama couldn't even do it. Son of a bitch. Now you hold
You a
up.
stupid ass bitch. I
You
know that.
damn
You know
right.
what? Let's go, bitch. Let's go, bitch. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Because you ignorant. Bitch, you're ignorant. Let's go.
Serious.
You don't want to get seen, motherfucker. You don't give a fuck about your goddamn health. Let's go.
Get your bitch.
Bitch, let's go. That's all right, bitch. You ugly, wearing hat, motherfucker.
Hey. Alright guys, well there you have it. That was one of Laidbackbrit's compilations. It was hard, I'm not gonna front, cause like some of the parts were like But anyways, yeah, leave some feedback. Please. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if I should keep doing more reaction videos. Cause honestly I think this is pretty fun to like have the video like play and then like I don't know, it was different, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I mean if you enjoyed, please leave a like and make sure you subscribe and yeah. I'll see you in the next video.